Leeds International School, Form 3, First Term, Mathematics, Lesson number 9, Areas. Objective of the lesson: understanding the areas of familiar shapes, understanding the areas of compound shape, understanding the areas of trapeziums. The areas of familiar shapes. Now we know area of the rectangle. How to find? Length multiplied by the breadth. In this case, length is A, breadth is B. Therefore, area A multiplied by B. Area of a parallelogram. Now at the same time, base, length of the base and perpendicular height multiplied together, we can take the area of the parallelogram. Here the length of the base is A, perpendicular height is B. Therefore area of the parallelogram A multiplied by B. The area of familiar shapes. Under that, we know how to find the area of a triangle. Half into base into height. Now in this problem, the base is A, perpendicular height is B. Therefore area equals to half into A into B. Now shall we discuss problems related to areas of familiar shapes. Example: find the area of the following figures. Now the base length is 6 cm, perpendicular height is 7 cm. Therefore area of the triangle equals to half into base is 6 into perpendicular height is 7. Then 3 into 7, answer is 21 square centimeters. Then area of the rectangle, length multiplied by the breadth. Here length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 8 centimeters. Then 12 into 8, 96 square centimeters. Then the area of the parallelogram. The base length is 5.5 centimeters, perpendicular height is 8.3 centimeters. Therefore the area of the parallelogram 5.5 into 8.3. The answer is 45.65 square centimeters. The next example: triangle ABC with coordinate points A 06, B 66, C 52. Find the area in square units. Now we can draw coordinate plane. Now according to the coordinate plane, we can mark it point A 0, 6. You can see, right? Coordinate B 6, 6. Coordinate C 5, 2. The area of this triangle, then half into, now you can count, horizontal squares, units. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The perpendicular units from AB. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore the base length is 6, perpendicular height is 4. Then 3.2, 3 into 2. What is the area of that triangle? 6x square unit. Example: in ABC triangle, AB equals to 7 cm, CB equals to 6 cm and CE equals 5 cm. Find the area of ABC triangle. B, the length of AD. First of all, we can find area of ABC triangle. Half into, what is the base? Is 7. perpendicular height is 5, then 7 times 5 35, 35 divided by 2 square centimeters. Then further we can simplify 17.5 square centimeter. B, we need to find the length of AD. Therefore, once again we can write down area of the ABC triangle. Half into base is 6, but perpendicular height is AD. Now we can simplify, then 3AD. Now we know earlier we have found the area of the ABC triangle 17.5. Therefore we can equalize 17.5 equals to 3 into AD. 17.5 divided by 3, the length of the AD is 5.8 centimeter. Areas of compound shapes. Under that, I would like to discuss another example. Find the area of the following figure. Now you can see in this compound figure there are two triangles, ABD, other one BCD. First of all, we can find the area of ABD triangle. Half into base is 8, perpendicular height is 4. Therefore, the answer is 16 square centimeter. At the same time, we can find the area of BCD triangle. Half into base is 9, the perpendicular height is 4, 18. Therefore, total area equals to area of ABD triangle plus area of BCD triangle. Now already we have found area of ABD triangle is 16 square centimeters, area of BCD triangle 18 centimeters. So we can add together. The answer is 34 square centimeters in this compound figure. Next example. Find the area of the shaded part. Now you can see in this figure there are two right angle triangles, at the same time rectangle. Therefore we need to find the shaded part. What is the shaded part? EFCD. Now what shall we do? First of all, we should find the area of the ABCD rectangle. Length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 5 centimeters, then 12 into 5, 60 square centimeters. Then we can find the area of AFE triangle. Then half into base is 4, perpendicular height is 3. What is the answer? Area 6 square centimeters. Then we can find the area of BFC triangle. Half into base is 8, perpendicular height is 5, 20 square centimeters. Now how to find the area of the shaded part? Then we have to subtract sum of the area of two triangles from the area of the ABCD triangle. Now ABCD rectangle. The ABCD rectangle 60 square centimeters minus 6 plus 20. What is the answer? 60 minus 26, 34 square centimeters. That is the area of the shaded part. We should subtract these two areas of triangles from the area of the rectangle. Area of a trapezium. Now how to find the area of this trapezium? You know there are two parallel lines in the trapezium. One side length is 13 centimeter, other side length is 8 centimeters. What is the perpendicular height? 9 centimeters. Therefore, area of ABCD trapezium equals half into sum of these two parallel lines. 18 plus 13 multiplied by, what is that? 9. So 18 plus 13, 21. Then half into 21 into 9, 189 divided by 2. The answer is 94.5 square centimeter of this trapezium. Next example. Now actually by using coordinate points we can find the area of the trapezium. Then example, find the area of the shape in square. Units. Coordinate point A minus 3 2, coordinate point B 3 2, coordinate point C 2 minus 2, coordinate point D minus 2 minus 2. Now we can mark it on coordinate plane. The point A minus 3 2, you can see, point B 3 2, point C 2 minus 2, D minus 2 minus 2. You can see the area of the trapezium half into. Now you can see the length of two parallel lines. What are the two parallel lines? AB and CD. Therefore we can count number of squares on top one. AB 1 2 3 4 5 6. The other one 1 2 3 4. Then we can add together 4 plus 6 10. What is the perpendicular height of this? 1 2 3 4 4. Therefore half into 4 plus 6 10, 10 into 4. What is the answer? 5 into 4 20 square units. Summary. Area of the rectangle, as we know, length multiplied by breadth. Area of the parallelogram, the base length multiplied by the perpendicular height. The area of triangle, how to find? Half into base into height. Area of the trapezium, half into sum of length of two parallel lines into height, that is perpendicular height. Practice exercises. STP Mathematics 3A, exercise 9A, page number 149. Exercise 9B, page number 151. Exercise 9C, page number 153. Thank you very much, children.